What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Sartorial Wealth channel. Today we're going to be exploring a fascinating shift, the surge in luxury good consumption, especially following the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, a decade ago, luxury goods occupied a fairly niche market, exclusive and aspirational, but not commonplace. Fast forward today, and the landscape is transformed dramatically. But the pandemic brought significant changes. With travel restrictions and limited entertainment options, many individuals kind of redirected their discretionary spending towards luxury items. Now, a phenomenon often referred to as revenge buying, this shift has led to luxury becoming more mainstream. However, there's an intriguing development, which is the increasing selectivity of luxury brands in choosing their ideal clientele. Now, take high-end timepieces as an example. Acquiring a brand new Rolex Daytona isn't as simple as walking into a store with cash in your hand. Due to the limited production and of course high demand, brands like Rolex often prioritize their most loyal customers, those who have previously purchased multiple watches or perhaps other luxury items. Now, the automotive industry has actually mirrored some of this trend. Aspiring to own potentially a new Porsche GT3, be prepared to demonstrate a history of patronage, often involving purchases of potentially several vehicles to be considered. Now, the luxury handbag market also exhibits kind of similar exclusivity. Brands are not only elevating their prices, but it's also becoming more discerning about who can purchase their coveted items. This exclusivity has cultivated a unique environment where consumers are willing to go to great lengths purchasing items they may not even desire or paying premiums in order to gain favor with certain brands. Now, this is a captivating evolution in consumer behavior and brand strategy. What are your thoughts on this trend? Now, have luxury brands become too exclusive, or does this enhance their allure? I want to thank you for watching to the end of this video. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel. Until next time, stay safe out there. Bye for now.